What's up, guys? So I got a few of you guys asking about my front lip, and of course I'm gonna show it off today. What kind of front lip is this? This is the S208. You know, the only ones in Japan's lip. As you can see, it's really aggressive. There's canards on the side, followed by the aggressive swoops that goes all the way up, and it sticks out quite a bit, giving it the actual splitter functionality. Now, this is from Icon Motorsports, so it is a replica piece. You can't really buy this in America, and yeah. So let's take a quick look. All right, let's just dive right in, and let me tell you my experience with this lip when it comes to fitment, and then daily driving, and etc. So fitment wise, let's get kind of personal and close. Here it is. It does come with the little rubber piece that goes in between the lip and the front bumper. This is like a first batch. There is a small gap on that side, very thin, but noticeable. Moving on to this side. This side is perfect. So no issues with this side. It's perfectly lined up, and yeah, it's snug. So fitment wise, I would say it's like 7 out of 10. Fits pretty good overall. Just, it's like acceptable. It's average. It's not the best, not perfect. Just that little issue right there. The finish. This is how it is straight off the raw material, the raw ABS, and it is glossy, which is nice. And what else? I think it's perfectly fine. It does match my vinyl gloss wrap pretty well. It sits in between there and like the grill finish as well. So I'm not really tripping about painting it or anything. I actually wouldn't recommend painting because that goes to my next point, is daily driving this. My car sits kind of low, but not too low. It's kind of just the average drop you would do, you know, just tucking in everything. And the issue I'm having is those canards are really fat on the side. So when you're looking at these canards, you're just running into issues where when you're angling, it actually hits the side of the canards. So let me like kind of zoom in and show you. It's getting scuffed up in that area right there. Kind of like at the bottom right there. It gets scuffed up, so if you're painting it or whatever, it's gonna be really noticeable cracking and such. So leaving the material raw, it's perfectly fine for me. As you can see, the bottom of the canard is taking some beating, but it's not too bad. So I wouldn't worry about too much. I would leave the material raw like I did. That way you can avoid that issue entirely. But yeah, it's a great lip. It's unique. Not too many people have it. It's kind of like the mega evolution of the new 2018 WRXs and above. They have a little canard too, but this one, as you can see, actually goes out. I would say that is more like a little winglet, where this one actually spits out a fat canard, and it actually probably generates downforce or whatever because it's on the S208. Other than that, let me know if you guys have any other questions. Do I recommend this lip? Yeah, I would say I recommend this lip. There's other options like base and R. I would think the base and R, just the regular STI style lip, and the charge speed lips are a lot, like the fitment's a lot better because it doesn't swoop up as high. This one does swoop up very high, so you're gonna run into fitment issues there. But Icon Motorsports has great customer service, and they'll take care of you if you have any issues. Other than that, peace. It's Kevin from Soupy Speed, back again with another video. We're talking about condensations and some taillights. Holy, whoa.